What if an AI could control your entire financial life? An AI that watches every dollar you spend, warns you before you waste money, and even invests your savings automatically. So I decided to try something crazy. I built an AI system to manage all my money. And what happened next honestly surprised me. Most people don't realize how much money they lose every month. Small purchases, random subscriptions, impulse spending. It adds up fast. In fact, many people waste hundreds of dollars every month without even noticing. And I realized something. Humans are terrible at managing money, but AI is really good at analyzing patterns. So I had one question. What if AI could manage my money better than I can? So I built a simple system. The AI had 3 jobs. First, track every dollar I spend. I connected my bank data and spending records. The AI analyzed everything. Coffee, subscriptions, shopping, food delivery, everything. Second, create a smart budget. Instead of guessing where my money should go, the AI calculated a budget based on my real spending patterns. Third, suggest investments. The AI analyzed market trends and suggested how much money I should invest each month. Basically, I created my own AI financial assistant. But the real test was still ahead. Would it actually work? For the next 30 days, I followed the AI's instructions exactly. Every purchase had to follow the AI budget. Every dollar of savings went into the investments it suggested. And within the first week, the AI already found problems. It spotted 3 subscriptions I forgot about. That alone saved me money instantly. Then it noticed something even worse. My food delivery spending. Apparently, I was spending way more than I realized. The AI immediately adjusted my spending limits. And strangely, it actually worked. I started spending less without even feeling restricted. But the biggest surprise came from the investing strategy. The AI automatically calculated how much I should invest every month. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to grow my money consistently. After 30 days, the results were shocking. The AI helped me save significantly more money than usual. It eliminated unnecessary spending, optimized my budget, and automated my investments. And the craziest part? I barely had to think about money anymore. The AI handled almost everything, which raises a serious question. If AI can manage money this efficiently, what happens to traditional financial advisors? Right now, we're entering a new era, where AI doesn't just answer questions, it makes financial decisions. Budgeting, investing, spending analysis, all done automatically. And in the future, your phone might know more about your finances than you do. But here's a real question. Would you trust an AI to manage your money? Let me know in the comments. Because the future of personal finance might be closer than we think.